人讲狗来捕鸟来起大厝，这鸟仔甲狗仔呢，拢是咱上界重视的好朋友。伫美国洛杉矶受到这野火吞踏，伫咧当地就一间这鸟仔咖啡厅，就推出一个活动，就是免费15分钟含这鸟咪相览，希望会当安慰到受灾民众。另外，伫咧巴尔干半岛的北马其顿机场，也有古水的安大犬。这个安大犬呢，就是会当安大旅客坐飞机进前紧张的情绪。
当天下晡，鸟仔懒懒的晒日头，伫美国加州洛杉矶的这间鸟仔咖啡馆内底，鸟仔即马用免钱，互人客泡15分钟，希望互经过洛杉矶严重森林野火民众放松心情，袂记哩所有的烦恼。
So our 15-minute sessions are open for anyone who wants to come in and hang out with the kitties. We know that the fire has been very stressful. Even if you haven't been personally impacted by it, you're totally welcome to still come on by and hang out with the kitties.
这间鸟仔咖啡馆内底鸟仔原本拢要被安乐死，负责人将因救回来。开这间鸟仔咖啡馆，也希望人客会用感亲近，最后会互人领养。
Everyone needs to de-stress right now with everything going on. Just like cuddle some kitties.
Yeah, it's just I think it's very intense times, so definitely to caress kitties is the very good solution, I would say right now.
若是经过天灾人需要安踏，都连伫机场坐飞机进前旅客心情难免也会充满焦虑。伫巴干半岛的北马其顿首都史高比的机场，都安排真古水的护卫犬，一只3岁半黄金大犬迪诺伫机场做护卫大使。迪诺的工作就是甲机场的人互动，所反映坐飞机进前紧张情绪，因为根据研究，人类甲动物的互动会降低压力甲焦虑。
It's very nice that someone put out this idea, because these dogs can really make people happy, even on the airports when they are stressed. For the sick people, for every people that wants to feel good. They come, they pet, and they give you happiness.
真侪咧等坐飞机的旅客拢认为，迪诺的出现有真大的帮助。
For me, it will help. For me, it will help. I know that some other people they are stressed about the flight, the start of the flight and everything. Yeah, I hope it's gonna help. For me, it will help for sure.
Really great idea. Very nice. Yes. It already helped.
迪诺是一个遇到真环境的陪伴犬，机场原本敢若安排伊伫机场人特别侪几日才会出现，不过因为工作成过成功，所以打算增加伊出任务的次数，安打搁较侪旅客心情。公司新闻警员庆朋友。